Lahat na nung career pinasok nung tatay. Oh. Today, barista tayo. Hindi sa akin tong coffee shop, pero ililibre kita. Let's go! Follow me, follow me! Come on, come on! Ang taas! Come on, come on! Nakikita dito, guys. Oh my God! Finally, kuya! Finally! Group hug! Today, we are here at But First Coffee. Kahit anong orderin nyo, bibigyan namin kayo ng libreng sachet of Naked Collagen. I'm so excited we made it! Wow! Sino yan siya? Oh! Uy, dalawa! Kung hindi kayo familiar sa collagen, i-google. Hindi mo i-google. Meron tayong ganito so that you can learn more about collagen. Vape shop din to. 2 Spanish lattes for chururu. Ayan na. Kahit anong size, meron kayong libreng tag-isang jelly and unflavored. Ma'am, naiwan niyo, ma'am. For the naked jelly, you can consume it as a snack. Sa unflavored naman, you can mix it with any drink that you like. But for now, dito sa coffee natin. O yan guys, hindi na hassle yung pag-intake ng collagen. Ang maganda kasi sa collagen, aside sa para siya sa skin for overall glow, it's also for your hair, for nails, for joints, lahat na siya. And of course, since it is unflavored, it is really unflavored. So kung ang in-order mo Spanish latte, it would taste like Spanish latte. Like nothing happened, but glowing ka lang. Ay, love it. 46 branches of But First Coffee nationwide. May libreng Naked Collagen ka. Let's go!